If you've ever wondered how to track which emails led to sales, and you're tired of vague analytics or guessing games, this is the quick 3-minute tutorial you've been looking for. I'll show you exactly how to see which specific emails drive revenue, using tools I've personally tested, and one that stood out. And yes, you can follow along with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel, linked in the description. So here's how it works. To track which emails lead to sales, you need two things: link tracking and conversion tracking. That's it. Let's break it down step by step. First, when you send out emails, every link inside needs to be trackable. The easiest way is by adding UTM parameters. You've probably seen URLs with things like .utm, source, NAD, email, UTM, campaign, spring sale. These little tags tell your analytics software exactly where the click came from. Add unique tags to each email you send. That way, even if all your emails point to the same landing page, your software knows which one actually brought the visitor. Now for the second part, conversion tracking. This is what ties the click to a sale. Most modern email and sales funnel tools do this automatically if you set them up right. The software we'll be using today makes this super simple. All you do is connect your email platform to your checkout or e-commerce platform, and it tracks revenue back to the specific email that drove the sale. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. Here's what it looks like in action. Inside the software, you'll see a dashboard that shows each campaign, how many people opened it, clicked through, and, most importantly, how much money it made. That's what we care about, not vanity metrics, real revenue. You'll also get reports that tell you exactly which emails convert best. Maybe your welcome sequence does better than your sales blasts, or maybe one subject line outperforms the rest. This lets you double down on what works and cut what doesn't. A quick pro tip: if you're running multiple campaigns at once, make sure you name each campaign uniquely in the UTM tags. That's how you avoid mixing up the data later. Also, don't just track clicks. Always measure the actual sales or checkouts that come after the click. If you're not using this kind of setup, you're basically flying blind. But if you are, it's like flipping on the lights in a dark room. You instantly know which emails are making you money and which are just noise. So what's the key takeaway? Tracking. Which emails led to sales isn't hard, but it requires the right setup. Once your links are tagged and your conversions are tracked, everything just falls into place. You stop guessing and you start optimizing. To quickly recap, add UTM tracking to every email link. Make sure your software tracks conversions properly, connect your platforms so they talk to each other, and check your revenue-based reports. Not just clicks and opens. If you want to follow along and get this set up for your business, I recommend grabbing the exclusive free trial linked in the description. This setup has saved me hours of manual work and helped me uncover what's really working in my email marketing. Again, it's a free trial only available to viewers of my channel. Take advantage of it. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if this helped and what you'd like to see next.